Hey there, fellow money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in personal finance to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to send money from a US bank to Sophie in 2025. With the ever-evolving world of banking, Sophie has become a go-to for investing, loans, and savings, and transferring funds from your US bank account is simpler than ever. Whether you're funding your investment portfolio or paying off a loan, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts with both your US bank and Sophie. In 2025, Sophie has streamlined its integration with major US banks, so let's get started. Step 1. Log into your US bank app or website. Look for the Transfers or Payments section. Most banks like Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo have this front and center. Step 2. If you haven't already, add Sophie as a linked account. You'll need your Sophie account number and routing number, which you can find in your Sophie dashboard. Pro tip: double-check these details to avoid any delays. Step 3. Initiate the transfer by selecting the amount you want to send. Remember, for 2025, ACH transfers are typically free and take 1 to 3 business days, while wire transfers are faster but might incur a small fee of around $15.30, depending on your bank. Step 4. Confirm the transaction details, including the recipient, Sophie, and the purpose of the transfer. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Once confirmed, sit back and wait. The funds should appear in your Sophie account shortly. If you're new to Sophie, take a moment to explore their 2025 features, like automated investments or high-yield savings. One common hiccup? Ensure your accounts are verified to prevent holds on your money. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly send money from your US bank to Sophie in 2025. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.